What do you know, I have it right side up. Spanish Star Z-70B parts. 9mm. 20 round and 30 round magazines, intact barrel in the original box. Look at this. This box is in really good shape. Fantastic. Now this is a submachine gun made by Spain. Comes in a nice box. Let's see what we have here. Checklist. And then inside here, got a nice owner's manual. Looks like a nice patch. Wow. This is fantastic. Comes with some candy, doesn't it? Let's set this aside. And we've got 20 round, 30 round magazines, 9mm. Great shape, barely if even used at all. And get the barrel, housing, spring, receiver. Okay, receiver parts. Fantastic. Alright. See what we have in here. And here's the bolt. Nice. Doesn't even look used at all. Well, maybe a little bit. Practically brand new though. Fantastic. What else can you get? Almost brand new submachine gun. Well, you can't get them anymore. But it's in parts and we'll have to put it back together. Super cool. Love the patch. Where else do you get a patch with a submachine gun? Now, this is in Spanish. Looks like the original instruction book. Tells you how it goes together. And of course a checklist for all the parts. Based on my quick look, it looks like they're all there. Fantastic. I think I'm going to keep it in the shipping box just to protect it. What a nice piece of history.